Okay, so the next thing that is really important to work with Photoshop is their layers panel. And you can think of the layers panel as your Photoshop file as being 2, 3, 4, 5 or as many pages as you like on top of each other. It's a good practice with Photoshop to everything that you do, everything that you draw, either if it's a text layer or drawing a shape or anything, to do each kind of thing on a different layer. It is just much better and easier for editing. So let's say, for example, this is layer 1 and this is black, and I can change this now. If I click on there 2 times, I can say this is my background 1. Now let's say I want to add a new layer. I just go here to the bottom of the layers panel. This is for adding a folder, but this is create a new layer. If I click on it, I have a new layer and it's automatically called layer 1. If I want to change the layer, double click on it and I can say this will be background 2. Click enter and there I have it. Now let's say I choose background 2, but this time if I go to the left corner, I click there on this 2 arrow side, I will change the foreground and the background color. Go to my paint bucket tool and now I click on my image. You will see that it turned white. Now it is really important to know that I haven't deleted the black background. It is still there. If I click on this little eye, that means it makes the layer visible or not. If I unclick this eye, I'll see, oh, okay, there, my first layer, my black background layer is still intact and it is there. So both layers are there. I've got black and white, 2 background layers. If I want to see my background, I can click on my second background, which is my white layer. And now I can choose to make it smaller. I do it by going to edit, transform, and I can choose scale. Now I can change the size of this specific layer. If I just drag it like this, you will see it drags like a rectangle. Okay, and I can, the width and the height according to my mouse drag will change. There it is. If I click enter, you will see now that both layers are visible, the black background and the second background, the white layer. For now, this is all you need to know about layers.